writing a coding or anything. So it is always good how to resolve that. If you can able to know it, it is better. Okay. So let us see what is the issue he's facing, and I'll try to resolve that. Okay. Then we'll start our session. Today's session is how to automate the drop how to automate the drop downs. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Nasir, you can share your screen and show me what is the issue you are facing.
I can't share. It says the host disabled participant shared.
Tasin, can you just give a permission to share the screen? Tasin?
Yeah. Offred, are you there?
I have it.
You have it?
Yeah, it's
Okay, what is the problem here?
See how this is all blank? I was trying to link.
Give me a control.
Yes, I was trying to link to
I
Selenium.
understand what is the issue. Yeah, it's a sub view issue.
Brother Yusuf was helping me, but we couldn't resolve this problem.
No problem. This is a noun issue only. You will be not able to see the project explorer here, right? That's a problem.
And we try to make a project and also.
No. It won't show. I know the issue. I'll do it. Wait a minute. Huh?
Right. We was trying to link the Selenium to Java, and also the website that you gave for the train.
Huh.
We were trying to link that to the Selenium.
There should be an option. Go to Windows, navigation, and then show view menu. Done?
Yeah.
Remember this. Even I'm just putting into the chat box. Whenever your project is hidden like this, what you have to do, window, and then show view. and then other. Whatever I'm putting in the chat box, save it in one of files, guys, always. General Project Explorer. Explorer. Okay, everybody got the message?
So how do I, if you see my screen, how can I
First, you did
do?
not create a Maven project itself. So how to create a Maven project? Go to File, New. I'm just doing it. New. My God. See, project. You have to go to Maven. Because as we said, we should not use the Java project. We always use the Maven project. Click on next. Try to give some, this checkbox must be clicked. Click on next. Give an artifact ID as Selenium.
So even though I made a project, it says book a ticket. I still have to, it's not because it's not Maven, that's why it's not letting me.
I didn't get you. What is it?
I made this project. It says book a ticket. You see it? I also linked all the Java programming into this in the libraries. And
See, it
you
is
know,
difficult. You cannot work with, definitely not work with the Java project, okay? Because so many jar files you have to add manually. All these things will be there.
He has so many conflict on his projects.
Yes. So just delete all these things. Okay. If you for the example, you can keep one project, remaining all the Java project, delete it. Okay. Now, see, after Maven project is created, go to pom.xml, add the required dependencies. How to add the dependencies? You will be first putting the dependencies, and all your dependencies should be between the dependencies. So what are the different dependencies we required? We required Selenium Java
right?
and test engine. Where am I? I'm into your screen only, right? Guys, if for first class, if you people missed, just see this. Okay. Maven dependencies. No, Maven repository. Go to this and check the first one. Type here what dependency you want. You need a Selenium Java. Search. Guys, you people are getting the download, this one, the recordings, right? Recordings is coming, right? Go to version 3, copy this dependency, come back to the Eclipse, paste it. Apart from this, control save. Till now, you don't have Maven dependency. Now the library will be going to add below the JRE system library. See, with all the jar files. Now, one more dependency we need, which is what? Bharat, I asked hot water. I asked hot water. Test ng. Just search. And go to most used version. Looks like 600 or 751 people used. Whether you can go with this or it's very back, right? So I'm taking this one and add this dependency also.
What is going?
Save. So even testng also available. Have you copied drivers? Drivers are there?
I have no idea. I just followed a YouTube video to put
No,
in.
guys. Are you getting? Are you not getting recordings?
Yeah. Well, the first two classes I missed them. I only had the third class where you said that.
Recordings you have, right? I'm asking.
Oh yeah. Well, I only have one recorded.
See, please follow up. Already 2 classes are there. Is 13?
The one that I got was a YouTube video. I didn't get the
Yeah,
first one.
Tej.
See, make sure that they are getting the recordings, Tasin. Otherwise, they cannot work on
It's
the.
already there, Tej, in the YouTube stream. They can see the video. Everything is there.
Oh, so please, guys, if that's your mistake, the recordings are always be there in the channels. Okay, just
So
go
is
and take it. Where is your Chrome? Chrome is not there in your system. It's your screen is blank.
I don't think I have Chrome.
Yeah, just open it. It looks like your screen is blank.
Okay, well, I
Can
have to
you-
install. I don't have Chrome on there. I have to install it.
Yes. Just
So-
install it and find out the version of it and add it into your project. Okay. Then
Okay.
your project is ready. Then create a package, class, method. Then you can follow that video. Okay.
Okay. I know
Yeah.
the other video. So all these videos that you guys recorded is on YouTube channel.
Yes. Whatever the classes is going on, it is there in the channel.
Okay.
Okay. You can stop share meanwhile. Okay. Let it go. We'll start from where we stop. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. See guys, till now we have seen how to automate drop down, how to automate text boxes and buttons, right? Today we are going to see how to automate drop downs. Is anyone finished the assessment, last assessment? Anyone here at least finished the assessment?
Yeah, almost I finished it, but I don't have the laptop on me right now.
Okay, fine. So as I said previous class, so we know how to automate the text boxes and buttons, and we did it already, right? So today we are going to learn about how to automate the drop downs. Here it looks like it's a drop down, right, with the values. Here also drop down with the values. Before getting into these drop downs, let us understand how to create our own XPath, because it needs to create our own XPath, which is a what? Relative. We generally have 2 types of XPaths. One is absolute XPath. Second one is relative. So we already saw the absolute XPath, which is just copying the XPath. So which copies basically from the root tag. If we want the XPath, because there is no ID, there is no other locators here. So for what we do, we'll just copy and copy XPath, Control F, Control V. It is going to come like this. See, if you see, there is a dependency on the tags here. It is not directly coming from this div tag. It is going to P drop down, and it is also taking 5 div values on the top. And there is a parent div also there. Then from here, it is taking to here. So what is a disadvantage like this when you take a locators means, if anything changed in between of these tags, maybe any div is removed or added, this is not going to work. This absolute XPath is not going to work. Because for example, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 divs are there. Tomorrow, developer made some changes and he removed one div. So obviously, now 5, if you put, it won't work. If you put 4 only, it will work. So like that, if any changes in the previous tags will affect the absolute XPath. So that is the reason we never use a absolute XPath. So we will always use the relative XPath, which is, which will be created by your own. Like today we learn 3 different ways of writing our own XPath. One is by using text. One is by using a text. The syntax for this is /, tag name, open close bracket, text of, equal to, in the double quotation or single quotation, you can place your text. This is the expression. Okay. Now what we are going to do, for example, if we inspect the drop down here, there is no ID, no name, nothing. So obviously, as I said, if ID and name is not there, you write your own XPath. That's the ultimate option. So as I said, there is by using a text, you can able to form your locator. And how you find whether the given tag have a text or not. Text always have a different color, and it will be always between the greater than and less than symbol. I have a white background, that's why my text looks black. If you have a black background, your text looks white. And that too, it is easy to recognize because preferred language is a text here. And same thing is present here. So by using this text, now we are going to form our own XPath. Just double click on this only text, Control C. And we are going to use this syntax, /, tag name. Tag name is nothing but this starting one is a tag. For this line, div is a tag. For this line, div is a tag. For this line, P drop down is a tag. It will be in a purple color. Okay. Now for this line, span is a tag. So span, open close bracket, and exactly the same thing we are going to use. But inside the double quotation, we already copied preferred language. So I'm going to paste that. Control C, Control V. Now, if you see 1 of 1, it is showing. Yes.
Yes.
And this yellow colored mark, if I just cursor over, it is highlighting preferred language. And if I click on this place, my drop down is opening. See, generally drop downs are of different types. One is with the select tag and another one is without select tag. I mean to say this first tag is select tag means we have a different approach, but right now it is not a select tag. So what we have to do, we have to click on this and click on the option. So generally to select the preferred language, 2 clicks we have to write. The same one for security question also, because this is also not a select tag. How generally select tag looks like is Can you see here? Guys, able to see?
Yep, select NG content.
Here, the tag I'm talking about.
The select tag.
So whenever you see the select as a tag, there is a different approach. This is also a drop down, right?
Right.
This is also a drop down, but this is a select tag drop down. When you see whenever the select tag drop down is there, there is a different approach. We are going to learn that. But the drop down we are seeing right now is not a select tag drop down, which is a non-select tag, right? See, span is there. It's not a select tag. So when you find such kind of a drop downs, you generally do click and click. What select is there means you have a different approach. So let me try to actually select the English as a language by using a code. Okay, yesterday till username we have seen already. I'm not writing all the things, guys, but you have to go with the flow. I'm just writing directly to the preferred language. I'm skipping confirm password and password. Okay. Now, driver dot find element by dot what locator? XPath only, right? Guys, this is XPath or not? Whatever we have prepared.
Yes, expert.
Syntax is tag name is span. Text of equal to place the text whatever we have copied. So this is the XPath. So I'm clicking on the preferred language, which will open the drop down, and I'm going to click on the option. Sometimes it will be, drop down will be there like this. So you have to undrop it to find the text. Here is the text. Here also span only. So I'm just changing the text. So the span is there. So tag name text of equal to the place, whatever I copied, I paste it. Same 2 lines of code will come for this because clicking on the drop down, selecting the value. Find element by dot XPath, place the XPath, then dot click. This is now save it, run and see. So my thing is it should click on the preferred language and it should also click on the English. Is it clicked or not, guys? I'll give more time.
It was fast. Yeah, we couldn't see it.
I'll give more time so that you can see.
I was using WebDriver Manager.
See here. Yeah, happy I'm coming.
Okay.
Selected, right? Guys, if you're not observing, I cannot do anything. Can you just keep your eyes? See here, preferred language,
Yeah, English.
selected or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we are able to select the English language because we are used click and click, right? So let us learn other two ways also to, find out the X path. This is one way by using a text. There is another way. By using partial text. Or we can call it as also as a contains method. Okay, so the syntax will be double slash tag name contains of inside of text of comma single quotation or a double quotation, place the text. Okay, guys, understand?
Yes.
Contains. So which will do whatever the text we are presenting, that particular piece of text, that can be a partial text also. It will check that particular text is present inside the total text or not. That will check like that. And what is the use of that means? For example, you have register. In register, you have spaces also there, right? Front one space, back one space is there. So generally, if you use a text of method, what you have to do, completely whatever present between the greater than and less than symbol must be present here. Okay, see, tag is A. When I use a text of method, a complete text between the greater than less, even the spaces also will be calculated as a character. Okay, for example, I don't want this, looks odd. I'm removing a space. Even though the text is correct, it is not showing because it is considering even the space is also a character. So now what is the next option we have? We can use this kind of a approach by using a contains method. So I want to remove that spaces, but still my locator has to find out. So double slash tag name, open close bracket, contains of, inside contains of text of, we won't use equal to, we use comma. You can use either double quotation or a single quotation. Place the text. Now if you remove the space, still it is working or not, guys? Able to see? What this kind of approach is doing, whatever text you are presenting, which is available in this entire text or not, that will only check that. For example, if I even remove R, still it will give me the answer. Even remove E, it will give me the answer because regist is available in the total text, right? That is what contains meaning, right? This particular text which we are presenting here is contained over there or not. That's what this approach do. Any doubts, guys? Anyone, any doubts? No? Hello? Everyone understood?
Yeah, everything good.
Okay. Let us understand one more way, which is attribute equal to value. Okay, attribute and value. Let us see the syntax also. How the syntax will work, / tag name. We will copy this attribute and value from the HTML code itself. At the date we have to provide attribute equal to value. Okay. Let us write for what? Maybe we will write it for maybe let us write for continue, maybe. Okay. See, even when you're selecting the attribute and value, that should be unique, guys. See, here we can see in this line many attributes and values. Which are like, you can see type equal to submit. Type
Label,
is the
label
attribute.
and style is the attribute.
Didn't get you what?
I said in this line, the label and the style will be the attribute, right?
Label is different. Label equal to continue is a attribute and value. Yes. Class is an attribute. In the double quotation, whatever it is present, that is a value. Style equal to attribute. Inside this style, whatever present is a value. So it means that for each element, multiple attributes and values will be present. But the attribute and value you take should be unique. Type equal to submit will be there for multiple times, but label equal to continue will only for this continue button, right? That is the reason you should always take a unique values for the attribute and value also to create your XPath. Now, to copy this equal to place, if you keep both attribute and value will get selected. Control C, Control F. What is the syntax is saying? / tag name. What is the tag name here? Button. / button, open close bracket, @ Control V. Whatever attribute value we already copied, just Control V. 1 of 1 it is showing or not? Guys, 1 of 1 is
Yes.
showing, right?
Yes.
So this is another way of writing our XPath. If we don't find any ID or a name, you can write your own XPath by using a text, by using a contains text, or by using a attribute and value. You have a 3 different options. Okay? Okay or not, guys?
Yes.
So this is the class for the day. If you have any doubts, we can talk about it. I'm sharing these things. In the chat box. You can use it. Yes, guys, if you have any doubt, I'll discuss. Otherwise, I want to take care of. Happy, you're saying something happy? Just tell me. Hello?
Yes. Yeah, Tej, I'm just using, the like 2 days ago, I just using WebDriver Manager without creating the driver. Is working for actually very good. So
okay, so it is automatically updates the
yeah,
version.
yes, yes.
Good, nice.
And I'm just I just new project create same thing IRCT, and I'm not really create any driver, just using WebDriver Manager. I just put the dependency, the WebDriver Managers.
Can you able to share your screen? Everybody also will understand.
Yeah, sure.
Please go ahead.
1 second, I just open my Eclipse first.
If we have no question, can we drop off? Like, can we leave?
People can leave. If you want to see that, you can also see that. Your wish.
Okay.
Hold on. Yeah, I'm just. Yeah, this is the IRCT registration. Now I just whole thing I did.
Explain what are the steps you followed to get that WebDriver manager.
Yeah, this one is actually good. Yeah, now is loading, maybe slow, but yeah, nighttime is faster. So this one is where is the start? Once again. Yeah, sometimes the loading when loading fast, that time is going to 1 second. I just check. This is failure because I need to put weight over there. Okay, hold on. Where is stuck? Okay, happy password. So
Execution is fine, happy.
yeah, because the loading when just loading slow, that time we need to put the thread or thread slip, or I'm just using actually.
That's okay. You explain about the WebDriver manager. This is fine.
Yeah.
It's launching now. That itself is
It's working very nice. So we don't need to actually create
What are the steps you followed to use this WebDriver manager?
Only 1 second. I just show the pom.xml. I just add this dependency. WebDriver Manager 5.3 latest version. And after that, I just only one thing I just because this method I using. That's it, nothing else. WebDriver Manager dot Chrome driver method dot setup. That's it. So this part we are skip, like a system dot set properties. We don't need to. Instead of
good. So everybody can use this. Okay, just keep that in.
Yeah, this one is actually good.
Good, happy. Good.
Okay, thank you.
Invest.
I have one question.
Yeah.
So, which expert you suggest us to which one is the most unique expert? The tag name or partial text or the attribute and value?
Depends on the HTML code.
Oh, okay.
See, always go with the text, because text will be mostly unique.
Okay.
Until unless if it is having a duplication, like sometimes OK will be there, button of OK. So OK can have in multiple times, right, in the page.
Yes.
So if that is the case, just go with the other unique locator formation.
Okay.
You will see and you will understand. For example, I took a continue also have a text, okay, but in that page continue is nowhere present, only for that button only it is present. So if I write an XPath by using the text of continue, I can happily take it as a unique, right?
Yes.
But if you take type equal to submit or type equal to button, there are two buttons. Backward button is there, continue button is there. So there can be a duplication. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
So always go with the unique values. That can be a text or that can be a attribute value, whatever it is.
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Okay, guys, if anything is not there, then I'll wrap up. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye, Tej. Thank you. Thank you, Tej.
Bye-bye.